I love the community and the different experience. It's very much more intimate and more involved.
So one of the biggest misunderstandings or stereotypes about honors is that the classes are harder.
It's not harder, it's just structured different. And the discussions aren't surface level, they're much more in-depth. And I think that has really helped me think critically about every aspect of my life.
So students, I think, feel connected. They foster relationships with the other students in their classes, but also close relationships with their professor. We also give them up to $1,000 a year in scholarship funding specifically for individualized research projects. And so a lot of our students present their work at conferences and we pay for them to travel to do that. When you complete our honors certificate, you can automatically articulate into FGCU's Honors College and into USF's Honors College. And once you receive one scholarship, many other scholarship organizations will open the doors to you.
I originally came because of the high school, so having FSW be able to do my AA and dual enrollment was really unique, and I wouldn't be able to do that at any other high school. So now I'm trying to convince all my friends to come with me and try to get more people to know about the opportunity.
And I think students really learn here in the safety of our little well-feathered nest at FSW. I think that they tap into talents and skill sets that they didn't realize they have.
So it helps you as a person, but then it also helps you get somewhere in the future because other people are going to look at you differently because you are an honors student.